So Sachin, tell me a little bit about your company and the solutions that you're currently providing.
Oh, since our inceptions, we have been, BNT SOFT has been precisely focused on the payment and the retail technology space, leveraging latest technology disruptions to help customers to build their solutions. And we are based out of Boston, having a development center in Pune, India. And we have a 180 plus company working across the front end and the back end of the ecosystem. We help clients onto their front, building their solutions on the front end and the back end of the systems. So this is something which is a unique proposition that we bring to the table, that we are product and technology agnostic company.
So I'd love to hear some case studies and success stories and how you've ultimately helped your clients.
So now this is a very interesting question for me, because clients actually span from a larger organization to the small startup companies as well. So we work with financial institutes, large financial institutes or payment service provider that are listed in the some of the stock exchanges. So that's very interesting. So being the domain specialist, we got to work with the entire span of these things. So one of our clients is the biggest exchange houses from the UK, and the work we have done for them is their end-to-end payment platform, right from their customer experiences to their digital transformation, to their payment side, to their banking side, or compliances, or capturing their customer data as well. So that's the end-to-end that we have worked on. Then there are some mid-sized organizations where we have developed the marketplaces and the e-wallet solutions for them, as well as there are some startups where the startups need some kind of technology help initially, because they don't have the bandwidth. They are very good in the concept. They need some hand-holding initially. So what we do is that we try to be their technology partners, where we provide end-to-end services, and they just need to focus on their core business.
So talk to me about the sweet spot when it comes to your customer profile. Who are you targeting?
So basically, as I said, it's again the range that we have. So we have clients in North America, we have clients in Europe, Asia Pacific region to be very precise. It's Australia, New Zealand, then it's Malaysia and Singapore. We have a great presence in India, where we are working with largest oil and gas company. We are working with the largest banks over there. And that's something which is very unique for us, because the value add we bring to the table, domain knowledge with the technology experience, that's something which is very unique for the companies. And so we work with the financial institutes, we work with the payment service providers, merchant service providers, and the companies which wants to start up into the fintech space. So now what we do is that we work with the clients at the bottom line, as we work with the bottom line to create the top line for the clients. So that's the unique proposition we bring to the table.
And to wrap up, what technology has you excited right now?
Oh, that's something which is so being into this payment space, which is evolving always. You have to keep yourself updated in the updated on the technology front, and that's what something which we have kept something in the mind, where we have a team that always a dedicated team that are up to the mark, where they have this domain knowledge. They adapt new technology. Adapting new technology is very important for us. So recently we did a machine learning implementation for a client. Then we work for a startup company to get their EMV certifications. So that's something which is very unique and very specialized way. So adopting new technology is something which is always on the cards. So as I said, we have a dedicated team who adopt new technologies.
Well, great, Sachin. Thank you so much for your insights today.
Thank you. Have a nice day ahead to you.
From Medici Studio, I'm Shannon Rossick.